Welcome to Vinod Sahu Business, your source for powerful health insights and business growth ideas, all in one place.
So the next product is our Core Auric V, where we have again, added a couple of new ingredients which have increased the potency and the efficiency of the product. Royal Jelly, so nature's nutrient powerhouse in human health is what we call. So Core Auric V is made up of 36, 36 ingredients enriched with resveratrol and royal jelly. Royal jelly is nothing but a hypopharyngeal secretion from the worker bees. The worker bees are a category of female bees which make food for the larvae of queen bee. So it is a bioactive, a nutrient-dense superfood with multi-benefits. And the nutritional composition is, it consists of proteins, carbohydrates, the key bioactive component being the lipid 10-hydroxy-2-desanoic acid, which is a potent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and antimicrobial. It has B vitamins. It has minerals like calcium, magnesium, zinc and iron. It also has acetylcholine, which has neurological benefits. We also have resveratrol added to our Core Auric V, which is called as the cellular guardian of longevity and vitality. Resveratrol is a polyphenol which is found in certain plants. So the natural sources where we get resveratrol are red grapes, red wine, peanuts, berries and cocoa. Why resveratrol? Because it activates the SIRT1 genes, which is linked to longevity. It is a potent antioxidant. It has got anti-inflammatory properties. A polyphenol with proven anti-aging mechanism. So let us understand the mechanism of action of resveratrol. So basically resveratrol has got the SIRT1 activation, which promotes DNA repair, helps to build mitochondrial biogenesis, which means that it helps to increase the energy in the cells and also helps in cellular longevity. AMPK pathway enhances the energy metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Antioxidant defense, it scavenges the reactive oxygen species and upregulates endogenous antioxidant enzymes, which means that it improves the activity of antioxidants in your body to protect your body from oxidative stress. So the summary and key takeaway from our Core Auric V's new ingredients, royal jelly and resveratrol, is that royal jelly is nutritional royalty, a complex synergistic food with antioxidant, hormonal and regenerative benefits, ideal for women's health, neuroprotection and beauty from within. Resveratrol is a multifunctional molecule backed by strong science, clinical studies, ideal for longevity, heart, brain and metabolic health. So along with this, Core Auric V is loaded with the benefits of superfruits and a concoction of multiberries along with phytoextracts, which are extremely important to improve your immunity levels, to boost your energy, to improve your cognition and so on. Key benefits of Core Auric V, it has got head-to-toe benefits, but certain key benefits are it has anti-aging and longevity properties, helps to boost collagen production, improves hydration and improves your cellular health, helps to improve your glucose and metabolic health, so helps in blood glucose regulation, improves your lipid profile, hormonal balance and fertility, supports estrogen regulation, extremely good for infertility people, extremely good for people who have hormonal imbalance and PCOD because it helps to improve your egg quality and spermatogenesis. Brain and neuroprotection, it supports cognition, anti-cancer potential, it has a quality to improve your quality of life, and immunomodulatory properties where it helps to improve your immunity levels. So Core Auric V now with the benefits of royal jelly, a superfood, and resveratrol, a multi-potent or a multi-health benefits polyphenol, which has anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic properties. So Core Auric V and Regen Stem V, potent antioxidants with the benefits of super ingredients loaded in them, excellent nutritional supplements for anybody suffering from non-communicable diseases or life-threatening diseases.